Welcome to Bybit's Fortress, where cutting-edge security measures protect your digital assets. Bybit safeguards the majority of user funds through cold storage, keeping them offline and out of hackers' reach. Multi-signature systems add extra layers of approval, enhancing security for all transactions. Robust login protocols and two-factor authentication fortify user accounts against unauthorized access. The dual wallet system balances accessibility and security, offering flexibility without compromising safety. Advanced technologies like TEE and TSS provide additional layers of protection for user assets. Bybit's Vigilant Eye monitors user activities in real time, detecting and preventing suspicious behavior. Proof of reserves provides transparency, addressing crypto skepticism with clear evidence of asset holdings. Ready to trade with confidence? Create your Bybit account now.